Hey guys, welcome back. So Omar and I haven't been able to hang out as often as we'd liked due to COVID and then due to, our schedules just not syncing up. So we figured, what better way than to get together, force a get together with some other friends and go-karting. So that's what we're gonna do. I've always said that vehicle looks like you have your baseball cap on backwards. To me, that car always looked like it was doing this, the roof. The roof always looked like it was doing this. I don't know, maybe it's just me. I don't even know this track, so I can't even talk trash. So I don't even know what a good time is. Anyhow, I've got some cameras. Let's see how it plays out. All right, guys. Let's see if I can move a little quicker. I am a little behind schedule.
Working? Yeah, it's on. Go.
right, well, clearly it's we finished the race, but let's get some feedback. What did you think?
Tires too cold. The second cart just was letting go, man. Letting go.
Well, we only recorded one race,
Oh,
the last one.
oh yeah, the one.
What about you? How was it for you?
Man, it's good. New facility, great. Had a lot of fun. Fast carts.
Yeah. Cool. And James, what say you, homie? What did you think? Was it?
Time to knock some people out.
Oh man. Well, like I said, we don't get together as often as we would like, so this was fun to get together. My takeaway, I personally can't say I would come back, but you know me, I'm critical of a lot of things. I can't say I would come back here without this group of guys, maybe some others. But yeah, I kept on getting cut off by this one guy. Anyway, you'll see it in the race. I won't say much more than that.